Hello viewers, how are you doing? I'm going to draw a shrimp here. So you can see that I have drawn from the left side, then the line, this is going to upward, then little bit curved to the right side and going straight like this. Then I'm going to draw another line like this and going to draw another straight line like this. So this is going to be the body of the shrimp. In some places this is called prawn. This is the tail, and it has few racks like this. These are divided into few segments. Okay, for the head we can draw a detailed drawing like this, and we do extend it here. Okay, another part is here, and there's the eye, as you can see. Okay, few things like this. Another drawing. For the leg we can do the small legs like here. It has a few legs, as you can see from the drawing. That's not a single one, it's multiple legs which are smaller in size. So you can see the legs which are within the body, those are the smaller in size. And the legs which are to the front part, those are usually bigger in size. Each leg has a different angles, so all the legs the shrimp is going to use for its mobility. This is useful, that's why it has all these legs. Okay, so only two more left. The some characteristics are the specialty for the shrimp. All right, so the basic outline you can see, this is done. Let's put few racks here for the tail. Okay, now we are going to put the color or the shades. This is quite monochromic, so we're using a single charcoal like color. All right, let's make the back side or the tail a darker one. Okay, and we're going to make the back little darker. Okay, each segment we can do the detail with a particular shading style. Let's see. We're going to use the same style for all the segments. That's why in some cases this is going to be the repetition of the same segments, and it's just showing, this is showing the different 3D effects on the overall drawing procedures. For the head we also have the same kinds of shades. Okay, all right. So for the drawings of the legs, you can see that I'm going to put the darker colors to the bottom part of the legs. Right, so let's make this darker. Actually the two lines, if we fill up those two lines, then it shows the thickness of the parts, actually the body parts, and it shows the appearance little nice after putting on the black color here. Let's put the ground. All right, you can see the shades on the ground. Okay, and if you want to show that the shrimp is in the water, then you can put few blue racks or blue lines to show the water. All right, all right, we can fill up the middle part, the smaller legs also with the dark shade. Let's use the pencil and complete the shades. Where is the darker color? Yeah, so this is going to be the black color. The drawing is complete. I hope you like the drawing. Please subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching. Have a good day.